Y'all, this is a January Pantry Challenge. I'm following along with Lisa from Sutton's Days and Jessica from Three Rivers Homestead, and we are trying to use up what we have and not go to the grocery store. And I had this lasagna that was in the freezer, so I just covered it up with some foil, and I baked it at 325 for about an hour and a half. I just let it go low and slow because it was frozen when I put it in the oven. And this was so good on a cold day, and I didn't have to do anything but stick it in the oven and make that bread that I found in there with it. I could have made a salad, but I didn't feel like it, so we just had the lasagna, and it's so good. It uses that traditional sauce from Walmart, and it's got some cottage cheese and some spinach in the middle, and this was delicious. And my brother-in-law, he smoked us a Boston butt, so I went ahead and chopped that up. I put it in the freezer on a sheet tray, and all I do is let it get frozen, and then I'll spoon it out into bags, and I food save it, and then we could mix that with some barbecue sauce and put it on some buns, and that will be a quick and easy dinner that we'll have in the freezer. I'm making some breakfast for the guys. I always got to have breakfast food. That's probably where most of my money is going to go on this pantry challenge. So I had some bacon already from the holidays, and I've got some grits there I'm cooking. I love these Martha White's banana nut muffin mix. They've got so many different kinds. The boys love birthday cake the best, but I love adding extra nuts in these. Makes them so good. You could also shred up zucchini and add some sneaky vegetables in there if you want to. And we also make pancakes with them. And I found some random noodles, so I just boiled those and added some slices of cheese and made mac and cheese. And we love these dino nuggets. I had those in the freezer, and I like them too. The boys do, but I do too. And I found a random honey mustard sauce, so that's what we're having for lunch today. And it was delicious. And I'm making some recipes with my taco soups that I made for January, and I'll have those in a different video. But I made a taco salad, and it was better than Wendy's. And I also made a taco casserole that my daughter requests every birthday, and now my grandson loves it. And I also made some rice with the broth. It's the end of football season, and there's so many playoff games, and Doug loves to watch football, and we love to snack. So I just took everything out of the refrigerator that I could think of that we could probably make something with. So I've got all this stuff, fruit, vegetables. I've got jams and jellies and just different things, celery, carrots, cucumbers that I'm going to cut up. I've got some weenies there from the holidays. I've got some frozen meatballs that I'm going to use. I've got that fig jam that I never got to use for the holidays. I've got some salami there. I could cut up salami and cheese. I've got a container of cookies from a sale from the school. So I've just got a lot of stuff to work with. So let's see what I can come up with. I made a ranch dip, but I didn't have any milk, so I kind of had to make it with some sour cream and mayonnaise, and it was really good, but I didn't have enough. I cut up some peppers, some celery, some cucumbers, some carrots. I got broccoli here. I've got my meatballs and my barbecued little weenies. Those meatballs were good. They had like a hoisin sauce on them, and they were really good. So I'm going to hopefully have some cookies later, and we can have that. And they were so good. Doug was stealing him one. Jonah wanted me to video him eating the cookie and trying it out. So
is that the video?
Yep, you're on video.
That's good.
It's good? Good. I made some homemade biscuits, but they're not quite what I want yet, so I'm not going to share the recipe yet. But I just made some bacon and some liver mush, and I am loving over easy egg. I don't know why. I'm not an egg person, but it's so good. I overcooked this one, but I just had it over some bacon and a piece of toast. It's playoff Sunday, and Doug wanted a corn dip, so I'm going to make a hot corn dip. Thought I had cream cheese, but I didn't. I had jalapeno, but you could use it with regular. And then I've got some cottage cheese that I'm going to add because that jalapeno stuff's hot. And I got a can of green chilies, and I'm just going to mix that all together with a little bit of mayonnaise. And it's the pantry challenge, so I don't have a recipe. I'm just mixing it up, but I will find something similar and post that down below in the description box. And I'm just using some canned corn and mix that around. My daughter loved this. She said that was the best she's ever had, and all she could think of was that corn dip the next day when she wanted to take some to work. And I've just got some onion powder and garlic powder in there. That's basically my spices. And just stir that around. If you need some salt, add some salt and pepper. Just put it in your baking pan and put some cheese over the top. And I don't even think I got a video of this because it was so good. We devoured it instantly. Y'all, this turned out to be a disaster. I had 3 random bags of marshmallows that were open, so I just put those in a bowl with some butter and melted it. And I had a huge bag of Rice Krispies that I needed to use up that I had got in my pantry. And I opened them up and they went bad. They smelled terrible. Oh my goodness. And I wasted all those marshmallows that I had saved. So I had to go send Doug to the store. I'd already told the grandkids we were getting them, so I had to go back and get some. Since the grandkids are here, we just have quick and easy meals this week. So I'm using some pizza crust that I got from Walmart. It's less than $1 a packet. You just add some water, stir it up, and let it sit for 5 minutes, and it's ready to go. And you just divide it up into 2. I usually make 2 pizzas, and I just use the Chef Boyardee sauce. I get it from Amazon, and I buy it by the case because we love it. I love making these quick and easy pizzas. I can have them on hand, and all I need is the cheese. And we usually just use sauce and pepperoni, sauce and Parmesan cheese, but you could make them into a barbecue chicken pizza. We love those. And a buffalo chicken pizza. And also you could put chicken and hot honey on there. That would be good too. You can do anything with these crusts. And I'm just going to put the Parmesan cheese on top. And I'm so sad because this whole thing is empty now. And I don't know what I'm going to do. I guess I'll have to wait 30 days or have some. Hopefully I'll have some of that shredded Parmesan cheese. But you could load this up with veggies or anything you like. So I got my pizza. I've got my hot corn dip, all my veggies, my ranch dip. We devoured that pizza. And finally, I got some Rice Krispie treat mixed up. And now we can watch the football game. And this was a breakfast that I made for Doug. This was just some shredded cheese with some egg and some sausage. I put it in a tortilla because I didn't have any bread. So that's what he had for breakfast this morning. Today I have all 3 grandsons, so I am scavenging through the freezer to see what I can find. I found some French fries. I found some, I thought those are chicken nuggets, but those are little mini corn dogs. And I'm just going to put those in the oven and air fry them. Since I have an air fryer in my oven, I haven't really had to use my air fryer. But I'm just going to put that on the sheet tray, and I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of oil and just put it in the air fryer. Down here, you got to keep your freezer full for these boys because they can eat you out of house and home for sure. I'm trying to scrounge through my kitchen freezer, trying to find some things for the boys to eat for breakfast. I'm trying to work on this freezer first because I can't even get the door shut. I didn't make a big dent, but I got a lot cleared out of my fridge, and I can close the door on my freezer now. So I'm going to have a lot more dinners next week now that I don't have to feed little boys. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next week for some more Pantry Challenge meals.